Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I would like to continue from the previous one. The previous one I have already traced some color to the butterfly, and in this video I have already spent my time to color all the butterflies, and you have to follow what I have already shown you from the previous video. And in this video I don't want to spend your time with me, so that's why I did it myself. Okay, so now let's continue. After you have done with doing like this, I don't know how to say this in English. You have to use your pen tool and increase the size and color. You have to change, and also stroke. Select the middle one and trace everything over here. Make sure that once you color the wings color, so make sure that the color doesn't overlap to other color. Okay, so now let's continue to the next step. Okay, now this time you go to layer. Okay, and at this point you unlock all the layer and delete all the two layer. You delete a butterfly layer and also color box layer. Okay, press delete. Okay, and this one also. Okay, and lock on the butterfly and select on only the color of the pen tool, and you select all of them by tracking everything, and you select all of this. Okay, and you go to opacity. You see 100%, and you have to decrease it to 0%. Okay, something like this. Okay, now you go to file and save as SVG and rename it to butterfly colors and enter. You don't have to change anything in this small window, and click OK. That's it. Now you go to VideoScribe. Let's open your VideoScribe and click on this button. Okay, now you go to add an image to the canvas, browse. Okay, and you select on the butterfly right here and open. Okay, this is the butterfly. No, it's not this one. It's not the right one. I delete it. I go again. Edition, this one already. Okay, butterfly. This one is butterfly. No, it's not correct. Okay, I click undo. Maybe something wrong. Wait. Okay, I delete it. Okay, we go back to AI and undo everything. Undo this, undo. Okay, and I select all the top layer and delete. I delete everything, and I go to save as again and butterfly and save replace. Okay, now I go to AI, add the image and select the butterfly again, open. Okay, something like this. And now I go to the same, I go to add a picture, and at this point I select on the color box now, butterfly color. Okay, and adjust. Okay, adjust the color. Okay, make sure that color and the butterfly fixed. All right. Okay, super good for me. I like this one. All right, and you go to this one again, add an image, and open the color box. All right, and you see you go down here and you drag the color box and put it in the front, something like this. All right, and adjust it to like this, and wait, I adjust it like this. Okay, it's good for me. Now I select on this one, and I set the camera. I select on butterfly, set the camera, and I select on color, and I set the camera. Okay, now you can click on play to make. Okay, click on play again. So I click on color box and I adjust it to somewhere like here, and I set the camera and I play again. Okay, I select here a little bit more and unselect the camera and move it right here and set the camera again. Okay, it's almost good. Adjust more here, something like this, and set the camera. Okay, it's nice. Alright, you can see that this color is not really good, but it's okay. And this one also. Okay. Alright, I set the camera again. This one. And also this one. Something like this. Alright. And at this time I like to adjust this movement, color box movement. So I go to the property and hand. No, I don't select hand. Move in, and I like it to move like here to here from this direction, and go to hand. Okay, and I select this finger and okay, and play, Alright, something like this. And the butterfly, the time of drawing, I increase it to like 50, something like this. Okay, so alright, it's good for me. And I go to property, hand, I select another hand. Okay, and I select this one. That's good for me. And this I also increase the value to like 60%, 60 value. Okay, but it's still fast. I go to 100. Wait, 100 value. Okay, I'm happy with this, and I change it to like this one. Okay, now let's play again. Okay, that's it. Now it's time to render. So you go to here, publish, and you select QuickTime format AVI, but I like QuickTime. And wait, you can select whatever you want, but I select QuickTime again. MOV. This one is size, and frame rate I like to take 50%, 50 frame rate. And the name also I change it to like butterfly coloring. Okay, and just click on tick, and it's starting rendering. This might spend time, so I like to pause the video, and we're going to come back a little bit later. Okay, I'd like to end my video right now, and thank you very much for your attention and your patience that you spend time with me and follow me all the step I have been showing you. And thank you very much. I'd like to finish my video tutorial right now, and I will come up with another idea of creating the original video. And thank you again for being paying attention, for being patient and paying your attention to my tutorial. And for those who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click subscribe and click on bell notification if you don't want to miss my video that I'm going to upload more in the next video. And I finish my video right now. Thank you very much, and bye bye.